the hair is flowing. The hair is flowing. Yes, ma'am. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I installed this Isee wig. It's a 22-inch kinky straight half wig and I am loving it. It's giving me all types of life. The curls are actually holding, and that's why I really wanted to get this, because I don't have a kinky straight wig that can hold a curl, but that has since changed because this hair right here is holding. It's got so much body, so much life. I mean, ladies, what do y'all think? It's so natural looking, you would never know that it was a half wig. If you like what you see, just please keep on watching. As you see, I have this box here. This is from Isee Hair. They sent me this kinky straight wig. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what's inside. Okay, so here goes the hair, but in the box, we have a few goodies. Some lashes, they're always good to have. Wig band, nice. And then a wig cap. There we go. Kinky straight wig, 22 inches. I'm gonna go ahead and take the hair out. Ooh, right off the bat, it smells so good. Like they already washed her, and I love that. Okay, we like a clean wig. So I don't need to wash it because it smells amazing already. And then the texture is gorgeous. I want y'all to get into the texture. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. She does come with some combs. Let me show y'all the inside construction. Okay, so we got our combs in the front, comb in the back, and combs on the side, as well as our band. So she is gonna be very secure. As you see, I've already flat ironed my hair because I have not come to play no games, okay? I'm trying to get this over with and done because I got a Nelly concert to go to and I gotta be ready in a few minutes. I mean, I gotta be ready soon, so I need to keep this quick and short. I want to curl her and see if she actually holds a curl. So let's see if she holds a curl, okay? And I did an amino acid treatment on my leave out, so my hair shouldn't frizz up, okay, as it did last time. Because that's when I had kinky straight hair and my hair was frizzing up within like 5 seconds of flat ironing my hair. But I can already tell that my ends will stay straight and behave for this wig. But it doesn't have to stay super straight, but anyways. Let me go ahead and put her on. Or should I curl her first? I think I'm gonna curl her first. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and curl this wig first and then put it on. So let's do it. Okay, I've got my mannequin head and my tripod, okay, because I'm not doing this on my head. I'm gonna make this as easy as possible because I'm in a rush. I gotta be somewhere and I need to use all my senses. Okay, I don't need to be using no mirror. So I got these pins here and this is just gonna keep my wig in place. And I recommend getting a tripod because I don't see why you gotta stress out by doing it on your head. Like your arms are gonna get tired. This is the easiest way to do it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and part the hair, and so the wig is not going anywhere. So I'm gonna put in my mannequin head. I had this since hair school, okay, and that's years ago, and she has been holding me down since. You're gonna need some clips to clip the hair in place. Boom, boom. I have my heat protection spray, Silk Elements, Sebastian Hair Plus. This is my hairspray to hold the curls. And of course, in order to do pin curls, we need our pins. So I have that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl up this hair. I'm probably gonna put layers in it a little bit later once I'm done curling her. So I have my flat iron. I'm gonna put it on 430. 450 is a bit too high. You gotta put it on. Yes, I put it on 430. And I'm gonna focus on the roots first. Actually, it can handle 450, but I'm gonna put it on 450. This hair can handle it. So I'm just gonna hit the roots first and then start curling. This is the flat iron that I'm using. It's called New Me. I've been using this for years. I'll put the link below on that. Very, very good flat iron. And for the curl, we're gonna be using our Hot Tools curling iron for those nice barrel curls. And I have that on 450 too. So both are on 450 because I just know this hair can handle that. So once I'm done doing the root, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my heat protection spray and begin to curl. My curling iron, it's not even on. What in the world? Okay, it better not be broke because I'll be upset. Okay, she is back on. She is red. I don't know what happened to this curling iron why it wasn't working, but it's working now. So now I gotta let this heat up. It's always when you're in a rush, things just don't go according to plan. Like, Lord, I need to keep going. Let me just calm down. Like, I'm not going to work. Like, I'm just going to a damn concert. But I want to do my makeup. I wanted to do my nails. I wanted to get my nails done at the nail store, but that ain't happening. I don't know what outfit I'm wearing. Oh my gosh. Anyways, this thing does not take that long to heat. Ooh, it's hot. It doesn't take that long to heat up. Okay, let's proceed. All right, you want to grab your curling iron, make sure it's working, make sure it's hot. I was putting it in my face. Now when I feel that heat, I know it's ready to go. And you know what? I want to use the hairspray before I start curling. And I have it on 450 like I said. And you want to take your time with this. You don't want to rush it. I kind of open and close my curling iron to work it down and flip it over. And then you have a curl, but she curled real nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and pin it up, of course, with my clips, because we are gonna make this thing hold today. Ooh, but I think this one's gonna hold a curl real good, I can tell. Okay, Isee hair. Never disappointing, Isee. I'm not mad at it. Because I needed a kinky straight wig that could hold a curl. I had to see for myself how these curls will hold. Because a kinky straight wig is bomb straight, but a kinky straight wig is fire curled, okay? Oh, I'm getting a little excited. You see that steam? You gotta make sure you have that steam coming out when you flat iron it, because that's how you know it's working. Boom, just like that. So I'm gonna repeat the same process throughout the entire head, and then I'll be back. I'm not gonna have you sit here watching me curl some hair. Let me get to you when I'm midway, actually, and I'll come back. Y'all know it's some good hair when the flat iron can be on 450 and it's not burning. No burns on my flat iron whatsoever. All right, let's keep going. Okay guys, I am done with the curls and she is holding pretty well. I am pretty confident that these curls are gonna hold because they were holding while I was curling them. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off with some Sebastian spray. Let this sit for a little while and I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for the event that I gotta go to. So I'll be right back. All right fam, I'm back. I have my makeup done. I got my dress on. I'll show y'all later what it looks like. But anyways, we gotta hurry up. I am running late. So first things first, we gotta take these pink curls down. Let these curls fall. I'm excited to see how it's gonna come out. Ooh! But as y'all see, look at the curls. Ooh! They are looking so good. I just know it's gonna do what I want it to do. And my hair is acting right. I got the amino acid treatment in, so it's not gonna frizz up like a fluffy fuzzball. 4C girls, comment below on the struggles of keeping your hair straight for a decent amount of time. I'm gonna throw her on and we're gonna see what's poppin'. This is what she's looking like right now. She's got some nice loose barrel curls. So let's go ahead and put her on. I have my hair sectioned out. Left it in the ponytail, didn't do a braid down because you don't have to do a braid down with a half wig. It is not necessary. I didn't have the time. I would have braided my hair down, but I got to cleaning. I got to doing laundry, and then this time just disappeared. I don't know where it went. That's the story of my life. Time disappearing. Look at her. I want to see real good how she looks like. So as you can see, the curls held wonderfully. And she's so super light. Okay, y'all, moment of truth. Let's put her on. Pull my hair forward. This is the comb right here. And I'm gonna put this right at the center of my head. And then we have this string right here, and I'm gonna pull it. Ooh, ooh, that thing is everything. This is all I really need. I don't even need nothing else. Them combs and this is all I need. That band is unnecessary, I feel. Cause look at this, look at the fit. It fits perfectly. I don't have any extra baggage going on. You can't see my hair. Can y'all see the curls? I might need to curl my hair to blend in with this wig. Alright, for the most part, I'm loving how it's looking so far, but I definitely need a curl and iron because I need to curl my hair to blend in with this. I don't think I'm going to be cutting anything. No, I don't see myself cutting any of this, but let's go ahead and get this together. I'll be right back. Y'all, I knew I was going to love it. This wig is... Alright, let me go ahead and do my leave out, okay? I'm getting distracted. Of course, we're going to need the heat protection spray. There you go. Need a big rat tail comb. Okay, and then you just comb it back. Yes, ma'am. Ah. Okay. Trying to conceal my excitement, as in. Yeah, so I guess I do need to put some layers in here, but that's gonna be for another day. What y'all think? Think she's cute? Back. She's super light, so I love that. Thank y'all so much for tuning into the video. If y'all watch it to the end, congratulations, you stuck it through. What's up? How do you feel about the amino acid treatment? Like, that thing worked real good. My hair has not frizzed up yet, and I'm loving it. The wig is giving everything right now. The body is giving body. Like, but yeah, that pretty much sums up this video on this gorgeous kinky straight wig. Yes, ma'am. So anyways, if y'all like what y'all see, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe so I can keep these videos coming, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Love y'all. Bye. Anywhere but where it needs to go, and that is airy. I don't know what I'm saying.